Okay. This is the 3-bedroom villa. Cool. Oh, this is nice. So it's exclusive, pretty much exclusive to the timeshare. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Yeah. So you got the DVD player and or Blu-ray. Cool. And then so these are the rooms down here.
Yes. So the right hand side, or your right hand side,
Okay.
will be the guest room. The left hand side will be the master.
Okay. Oh wow. 2 queen beds. Like a TV. That is super cool.
Each bedroom comes with their own bathrooms.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Shower tub. Cool. This is where you want to stay? Oh, this has a walk-in shower. And there's the toilet. Okay. And then down here is the other.
The
This is.
dining table, the right hand side will be the laundry, and the other.
Do you know what the square footage is on this?
I want to say 21, about 2,200,
Oh, that's nice. Oh. You got your washer and dryer right here. Wow. Oh, and this has the walk-in shower right here. And it'll actually, a little spa hot tub, or not hot tub, but bathtub and toilet. And then each room has a sliding door. So, cool. I like the dining room.
Yeah.
And the kitchen is really nice. Oh, it's got the marble, looks like marble on the tops. That is very cool. Cool. Well, awesome. I think this is really cool for DVC members. Cool.